honor to be a part of this. To see so many beautiful people come together and expressing themselves, and it's just great to see that. We talk about blocks. We talk about rocks. We talk about glocks. Can I talk about God? A bigger investment. Dan at Smith & Wesson in that Nina and 4-5. Yeah, keep them loud. It might keep the crowd high. But why glorify taking another man's life? Man, that ain't right. They want to murder. They want to kill. How about we murder these mics and stack a couple meals? Get off the Medicaid, reach for some better days, set some realistic goals, bro. Let's set it straight. Might spit some hot lines, write some hot rhymes. Be like, yeah, I got some irons. Didn't see a stop sign. Now you're a co-defendant with a public pretender facing a 10-20 piece, and they about to send you up the road to your new home. Left your girl all alone. Hope she accepts the call from your new cell phone. New cell phone. It's the end of America. They aim to put fear in you. But I don't know who they scam, bro. And even though they ain't hearing you, or it seems they stolen, for we are falling. Rapping about balling is the program uninstalling. Internal, external threats created, calling me dirty because I debated. I feel that devil made a deal and God okayed it. I stand for the truth and that's why they hate it, yeah. But this shit for the birds, right? Truth is we ain't ready for a third right or a fourth one either. So if I can pass my heater, about to make them hot, no fever or reaper, and fuck a gulag, I'm lacing up my bootstraps, taking all my freedoms. Where they do that at? Here. They got their targets locked on. Rob all the natives of the dirt you walking on. We under surveillance in the open society, soon to be closed, trying to get inside of me, no homo. Time to fast forward, no slow-mo. They got this whole world in a comatose state. Want to roast me, want to ghost me, diagnose me, overdose me. But I was sober when I wrote this. R.I.P. Prince, Michael Jackson, the truth is in focus. Man in the mirror, things are getting clearer. Don't touch that dial, the end is even nearer. Sometimes peace is all I pray for. Thank you.